They done stretched the pier out. Now the pier go all the way on it. They're connecting it to Riverfront Park now. Wow. See, the last time they didn't have this right here. So now the pier is stretched out. You can walk that pier. Wow. And it's a tugboat coming through. Two of them. Two tugboats. I guess they haven't opened it up yet because they got barricades on it saying keep off, so they're still doing it. But they got the pier under the bridge now. They say keep out, so I'm not gonna walk all the way over there. Nice fishing pier off the Cooper River. And that right there, I forget what that island is called, right in between Daniel Island and 526. You can see over there is Riverfront Park. Tugboats coming in early in the daytime. Guys over there still working on the pier. Yep, that's a little minor update. We'll check back again soon. See anything else happening. These buildings right here are supposed to be either coming down or either they're going to do something with them too. So that's that for this part of the naval base.